El-Rufai was here on this studio, not the different program, and I was here too. And I say his comments were embarrassing to the country and to himself, because he is the chief policy strategist of the APC. He cannot take away the shell of a tortoise or a snail late in the day. 4 legacy parties formed APC. CPC led by Mohamed Buhari, he became president and commander-in-chief. ACL led by Bola Tinubu, he became the leader of the party. Till today, El-Rufai, part of that infrastructure of the intellectual wing of the CPC, the policies, strategies, and the governor of Kaduna State. Oboniano, you remember Dr. Oboniano became this minister of science and technology, and Roger Sokorachi, former governor of Imo State, a rump of Apuga, was very influential. This cast of fellows pretended the formation of this party. They are the one that ran the country for the past 8 years. They've selected Bola Tinubu as their candidate. Between Bola Tinubu and Mohamed Buhari, there's no difference. Between El-Rufai and Malami of the Attorney General, there's no difference. Between Akeredolu and Emefiele, there's no difference. They're just deceiving Nigerians. Because
in what way?
Because a party cannot revolt against itself. It becomes incoherent. The incoherence is the presidency is the APC presidency. The president is the APC president. The leader of the party is APC. The candidate of the party. The policy strategies that were formulated with the state governor, the policy swap is El-Rufai. So for you now not to embrace it means that the policy is chaotic, incoherent, it unraveling the social system and creating security concerns. That means I create a distance between me and my own government. A distance between me and my own president, between me and my own CPN, who was to run for the presidency. And the posters were everywhere. He's part of the APC. El-Rufai part of APC, all the governors going to court are part of APC. How come it is only within the APC, governing circles, that the whole issue of Naira Swap has become an issue? And I asked you finally on this particular issue. I don't have the old currency. I don't know whether you have the old currency.
Well, I don't.
The problem is with the availability of the new. So somehow or the other, billions may well be somewhere. People are waiting to use the Supreme Court to dump it in their public system, say this money is not legal tender, because if I don't have it, you don't have it. The problem is where do we find the new? Not how to use the old, which you have 4 months to deposit in the banks. And we deposit them in the banks. But we can't find the new, which is very disruptive. So rather than the governors of the APC asking the Supreme Court to bring back something we don't have, they may have it, I don't know, in billions, possibly. We don't have it. I don't have it. You don't have it. Then it means that they want us to bring somewhere or the other, bring back into the system in recirculation, something we don't have and we don't need. They should rather, as a party, as governing party, with the president, with the attorney general, with the CBN governor, work at the means of producing much more new Naira currency and not find a way to deposit billions of this money we don't know where they're coming from.